The most dangerous part, right down there where the wet crew is. It's actually stuck in the other tree. I can rope it off and we can get set up. We'll get that other rope up here too.
Just hook it on here and you pull it up?
Yeah, just hook it up to it somehow and then I'll pull it up. So if you don't know what we're looking at here, you're gonna go right through into there. Nice little pocket. Pulling up this second rope so that I got another rope when I lose my first one. We should be okay. It's just a little tangled up down there. No big deal. It's about 40 feet. We got about 80 feet to go, so we're about halfway up the mark. We're 2/3 up the tree here. Just waiting on a rope. Hey, let me get this rope up first, then you can untangle. Then I'll drop it. Ugh. What kind of knot is this bullshit? That's a heavy ass rope.
Which one?
The orange one.
Yeah?
Yeah. Big old heavy rope.
Let me go get Phil.
You can leave the orange rope where it is. Yeah, just leave the orange rope. Take this purple one out to go between these two here. And then take it out towards the stop sign.
Right there?
Go ahead and pull one more time. I didn't feel much there. There you go.
Hold on, he's gotta put his purse down.
Yeah, you should be good. Okay, and that's our safety rope. Let's tighten this bad boy up. Okay, I'm ready. Okay. My last cut. I guess you guys missed that one. That's okay. There'll be plenty more. I got it right in between my mark, right where I wanted it to go. Right in between these couple of trees here. And that's how it gets done. Yeah. All my safety just went out the door. There we go. Whew. So, let's get hooked back up. Pronto. Whew. Just hold on to this and trust my arms. Oh, that was a little scary.
More branches?
I want to rope some of these down.
Okay.
Very nice. Same way. Yeah, I want to wait for this car to go by real quick. Okay, we ready? Now, I don't know if you saw the first one, but the first one went in between those two trees as well. Money. Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
We put it right where we had the last one.
Time for the big boy style.